Hello and welcome. At today's videos, we'll be walking you through the neck lift procedure and how it transforms your look. If you're concerned about sagging skin, excess fat, or loss of definition in the neck area, a neck lift might be the perfect solution for you. At Lin Europe Clinic, we specialize in providing transformative results with natural-looking outcomes. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the procedure, from consultation to recovery. Let's dive in. Why choose a neck lift at Lin Europe Clinic? The neck is often one of the first areas to show signs of aging, with sagging skin, excess fat, and muscle bands becoming more noticeable over time. A neck lift is a highly effective procedure to tighten and smooth the skin, restore definition to the jawline, and create a more youthful profile. At Lin Europe Clinic, our surgeons specialize in neck lift procedures that deliver natural, harmonious results. Whether you're looking to reduce excess skin, tighten loose muscles, or remove fatty deposits, a neck lift can provide the rejuvenation you're looking for. The consultation process. What to expect? Your neck lift journey begins with the throughout consultation. During this meeting, our expert surgeons will evaluate your neck area, discuss your concerns, and help you set realistic expectations for the procedure. We'll explain the different techniques available to address your specific needs, such as removing excess skin, tightening the underlying muscles, or reducing fat deposits. We'll also review the recovery process, potential risks, and aftercare instructions. It's important for us that you feel informed, comfortable, and confident about moving forward with your neck lift. The neck lift procedure. What happens during surgery? On the day of surgery, you'll be in the hands of a very skilled surgical team and will ensure you're fully comfortable throughout the process. A neck lift usually takes 2 to 3 hours, depending on the extent of the treatment. The surgery is performed under general anesthesia, so you'll be relaxed and pain-free. During the procedure, small injections are made either behind the ears, under the chin, or along the hairline, where the scars can be discreetly hidden. Excessive skin and fat are removed, and the underlying muscles are tightened to restore definition. The goal is to give you smooth, youthful neck that blends naturally with your facial features. Recovery. What to expect? After surgery, after your neck lift, you might experience some swelling, bruising, and mild discomfort around the neck and jawline. This is normal and part of the healing process. We provide you with comprehensive aftercare instructions to help you recover smoothly. You'll need to wear a compression garment to support the healing skin and reduce swelling. It's important to rest and avoid any strenuous activities for the first few weeks. As you recover, you'll notice that swelling gradually subsides, revealing a more defined neck and jawline. Regular follow-up appointments will help monitor your healing process and ensure everything is on track, seeing the result from swelling to final look. While the initial results of a neck lift will be noticeable right after surgery, full results take time to develop. The first few weeks will involve some swelling and bruising, but the first month you'll start to see significant improvements. Over the next few months, the final contours will emerge as the skin tightens and settles into the new position. By 3 to 6 months, the full effect of the neck lift will be visible, giving you a smooth, youthful neck and enhanced facial profile. Why Lin Europe Clinic is the best choice for your neck lift? At Lin Europe Clinic, we're committed to provide the best possible care and results for your neck lift procedure. Our expert surgeons specialize in creating natural, balanced outcomes that enhance your profile without altering your identity. We use advanced techniques to minimize scarring and ensure the best possible results. Our personalized approach ensures that your neck lift procedure is tailored to your unique needs and aesthetic goals. Trust Lin Europe Clinic for a transformative experience that rejuvenates your appearance and boosts your confidence. Thank you for watching. If you're considering a neck lift to enhance your facial profile and restore youthful definition, Lin Europe Clinic is here to help. From consultation to recovery, we're committed to provide exceptional care and beautiful results. If you have any questions or you want to schedule a consultation, feel free to contact us. Ready to do the next steps? Get your free consultation in 5 minutes. We're waiting for you.